What if I told you that the everyday hatchback you thought you knew just transformed into a futuristic beast? This is the 2026 Ford Focus RS. Sharper, bolder, and more advanced than ever before. From its glowing LED light bar and aggressive stance to its driver-focused cockpit, Ford is rewriting what a hot hatch can be. But here's the big question. Is this the rebirth of the RS legend? Or has Ford gone too far into the future? Stick around, because the answer might just surprise you. Exterior design. Let's start with what hits you first, the exterior. From the front, the new Focus RS looks absolutely menacing. That illuminated Ford wordmark across the grille immediately sets the tone. Framed by razor-sharp LED headlights connected by a continuous red light strip. It's modern, futuristic, and undeniably aggressive. The sculpted bumper and massive air intakes scream performance, while the stance is lower and wider, giving it a planted, track-ready look. From the side, those crisp body lines and the bold RS-branded rear wing remind you that this isn't just a daily commuter. It's a machine bred for enthusiasts. Sitting on lightweight multi-spoke alloy wheels with performance brakes peeking through, this hatch is all business. And the rear? Wow! A full-width LED light bar with the Ford wordmark glowing dead center. Dual exhaust tips and an aggressive diffuser finish the look. This isn't subtle. This is Ford shouting, "The RS is back." Interior and technology. Step inside and the RS doesn't disappoint. The cabin feels like a perfect mix of modern digital technology and sporty driver focus. You get a flat-bottom steering wheel, supportive RS-branded sport seats, and a digital gauge cluster that keeps performance metrics right in front of you. The center infotainment screen runs the latest Ford Sync system, giving you everything from navigation to real-time performance data. But here's where it gets interesting. Rumor has it, Ford is working on customizable drive modes with augmented reality overlays for track driving. Imagine having braking points and racing lines projected right onto your cluster. Pretty wild, right? Will Ford actually make this AR tech standard on the RS, or will it be locked behind expensive packages? That's something we'll have to wait and see. Performance expectations. Of course, the Focus RS has always been about performance. While Ford hasn't officially confirmed the full specs yet, insiders are hinting at a hybrid-assisted turbocharged engine pushing out over 350 horsepower with all-wheel drive. That's serious firepower for a hatchback. And with adaptive suspension, advanced torque vectoring, and possibly even an electric boost mode, the RS could become one of the most dynamic hot hatches on the planet. But here's what keeps enthusiasts guessing. Will Ford keep a manual transmission option alive for purists, or will it go fully automatic with paddle shifters? That single decision could define how this car is remembered. Price and release date. As for availability, the 2026 Focus RS is expected to hit showrooms in late 2025. Pricing hasn't been confirmed, but industry whispers suggest it could start around $45,000 to $50,000, placing it head-to-head with the likes of the Honda Civic Type R and Volkswagen Golf R. So, will Ford's RS bring back the glory days of hot hatch dominance, or will competitors steal the spotlight? That's the story unfolding right now. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Ford Focus RS the futuristic hot hatch we've been waiting for? Or has Ford taken too many risks with its bold design and tech-heavy approach? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing your takes.
And remember, this is just the beginning. We've got more first looks and deep dives into 2025 and 2026's hottest cars coming up, so make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, keep driving with passion.